Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Of course, we run off with track and field as Javier Brown of Jamaica College highlighted the action on the penultimate day of the 110th staging of the ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships at the National Stadium. Karen Madden was there.
A meet record and several personal bests brought an exciting end to day 4 of Champs 2021. Xavier Brown of Jamaica College was responsible for the only record to fall on the day when he recorded 49.87 seconds in the Class 1 boys 400-meter hurdles. Brown took the fight to Excelsior's Devontae Archer, who clocked a personal best 50.43 for the silver, with Camperdown's Rashane Clark copying bronze with a personal best 50.93.
But running a stout race so far on the inside. Pembridge, Brown, middle of the pack. Brown and Archer. Devontae Archer from Excelsior looks good. Brown comes calling on the inside now. From Jamaica College, striking gold though. Fabulous performance. Javier Brown.
It could be a new record, Spencer.
Big performance on the big occasion. 48.97, is that correct?
It's not going to be 8. Yes,
49.87. It's a new record.
Antonio Forbes of Kingston College in a personal best 51.84 took the Class 2 boys 400-meter hurdles, with Shamir Blake of Stets a personal best 52.16, grabbing silver ahead of KC's Shamari Jennings, also recording a personal best 52.52. Earlier, Heidel's captain Gariel White in a personal best 57.65 took the Class 1 girls 400-meter hurdles ahead of Moisha Bryden of Veer in a personal best 58.90 and Edwin Allen's Jodianne Dixon in another personal best. Meanwhile, 100-meter silver medalist Antonio Watson of Petersfield and Brian Lavelle of Edwin Allen, both clocking 21.02 against a negative 2.5-meter headwind, topped the qualifiers in the Class 1 boys 200 meters going into Saturday's final. The girls' Class 1 qualifiers are led by Class 1 100-meter champion Brandy Hall of Edwin Allen 24.06 into a negative 2-meter headwind. Reporting from the National Stadium, Karen Madden for TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, former champions Calabar have disrupted the Kingston College Jamaica College battle in the field, racking up points as they fight for the boys' title heading into the final day. Here's Simon Preston.
For the first event on day 4, Calabar showed that they should not be overlooked for the boys' champs title as Javar Thomas captured the boys' Class 2 triple jump. Thomas cut the sand at 15.23 metres, while Jaden Hibbert of Kingston College second with 15.15, while Michael Correa was third with 14.61 metres.
I mean, it was very hard throughout the whole pandemic year because trainings began late and a lot of people didn't show up to training. We weren't confident. I wasn't confident. And then the passing of my coach set back my mind in a big way. So it was very hard to come out here and actually win this event.
There was a 1-3 finish for Calabar this time in the pole vault open event. Pre-championship favourite Keita Campbell cleared 3.90 metres in winning the event, with teammate Julian Francis third and Javar Moore of Kingston College second.
Well, the win was on my mind, but the main thing was to do my best because, I mean, you can't control the win. And I was a little bit nervous at the start, but, I mean, after I realized that this is Calabar and we don't fear heights, we clear heights. And so just with that mindset, I went through the competition and it just turned out that I was the best man on the day.
Casey responded with a 1-2 finish of their own, but in the Class 3 boys long jump. Shamir Kelly, who saw the lead snatched from him in round 4, produced a fabulous 6.82 metres, which would have been a personal best had it not been for a 3.1 metre per second tailwind.
Well, it was not easy, but at the end, I pulled through, so I'm thankful for everyone.
Compatriot Rashawn Onfroy picked up the bronze with 6.40, with Edward Sterling of Woolmer's boys getting silver with 6.79 metres. In the meantime, on the girls' side, Clarendon College had their moment in the field with a 1-2 finish in the Class 1 discus final. The top thrower this season, Roxanne Simpson, delivered the gold with a distance of 45.85 metres. Her training partner, Kimola Harris, was second with 44.98 metres, while third went to Fabienne Foster third with 43.79 metres.
It was not the best, but the aim was to win for Mr. Duncan. That's exactly what I did today.
In the triple jump open, Akelia Smith of Edwin Allen took gold with 13.42 metres.
They get the gold from a team and give the 9 points to the team. Goal is just a benefit. The record was there, very close, but it's not to be. Health is what matters the most right now.
Second went to Heidel's Valicia Williams at 12.87 metres, with Khadija Bailey of San Diego third with 12.25 metres.
The ISSA Grace Kennedy boys